I've made several $1,000,000 with social media, but if I had it to do over again, making money with social media, I'd do a couple things differently, okay? Like, here's the big three. You've got Facebook, you've got Instagram, and then you've got YouTube. All right, throw Snapchat, throw Twitter, throw TikTok, like throw that out of the water, all right? There's no engagement there. TikTok, they've been saying it's gonna be a trend. Look, okay, Gary Vaynerchuk, if you wanna say it's a trend and then 3 years later or 6 months down the road, all of a sudden it's a trend because you said it was, okay, that's your thing. Like, that's your proprietary method. But here's the thing, here's the big three, all right? I'll talk to you about making money with social media and how to utilize the big three, what I would have done differently, because I would have been able to earn way more many millions, if that's even grammatically correct. I've done multiple 7, I would probably be at 8 now. I'm gonna teach you how. All right, here's the first rule, guys. Smash the like button. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2, I wouldn't use all 3. I wouldn't, okay? I've got 2.3 here, I've got 1 here, and I've got 2.7 billion here, all right? Well, great. Obviously, a portion of some of these are overlapping, they're gonna be the same, etc. But I'm gonna look at where's the engagement. What I would have done differently, first of all, I would have specialized, okay, in the product or service that I was selling. I would have not gone all over the board going, okay, I'm gonna sell this product, I'm gonna sell this service, I'm gonna be an affiliate of this, I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna throw it against the wall and see what sticks. No, I would have figured out, okay, what's the one that's the most likely to create me the biggest return? And if it quite clearly was this one, this is the product or service with the biggest market, this is the one that seems to be doing the best, this is the one that's taken off, this is the one that's making most sense for me for the time and the energy and the investing that I'm putting in. And then I would have taken these ones out of the equation completely, and I wouldn't have done any of those. Okay, then what I would have done differently is instead of going, okay, let me make this post on Instagram, let me do this on Facebook, let me put this on YouTube, okay, I would have gone ahead and said, wait a second, what is the platform that's gonna get me ahead the fastest? Because I wanna get success quick. I don't wanna get rich quick. I don't have that mentality. But the amount of time between my idea, my thing, my product, my service, and how well I can market it and how much I can get people to consume it is gonna be a direct reflection on the level of income I can hit. You might wanna rewind those last 12 seconds here and listen to what I said, write that over again. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel, and follow me. Everybody right now, follow me at Ben Oberg on Instagram. It sounds like bend over, follow me at Ben Oberg, BENOBERG. Follow. I do giveaways all the time, okay? I'm not here to give you all my money and all that stuff, but I throw you a bone once in a while. I'm here to help you and provide you value. Sometimes I give away cash. Make sure you follow me for all the knowledge and information. So obviously you guys know I've made millions with Instagram. It's been my bread and butter platform. Now, of course, I use Facebook, I use YouTube for advertising because I think that's smart. And there's pluses and minuses to each platform. But as far as branding goes, what I would have done differently is, 1, I would have started an account on Instagram. And why I did that, why I would have done that, why I still would be doing that now, going into 2020, is because Instagram is still the most engaged platform out of Facebook, YouTube, Instagram combined. Secondly, it has the most potential for growth out of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Facebook's engagement is dead. Unless you have a business page and unless you pay for that engagement, it's dead. YouTube, you gotta work your butt off and know these complex algorithms to rank videos, all right? On Instagram, I got 17 different ways to make 5 figures per month. I've got so many niches, genres, and sub-niches in genres, it's crazy. I can create a niche and get it to go viral and get it well received and monetize it. And I can sell growth services and package and manage people's ads and run an Instagram marketing agency. It's crazy. So I would have started one account in a specific niche on Instagram, and when I started that, I would have had a funnel, a sales funnel, so I could start collecting leads, onboarding clients, getting them into a product, and retargeting those that didn't buy. So I would have gone in and said, hey, screw YouTube and Facebook, let me just focus on Instagram. Let me have one niche, let me have a funnel from day one out of the gate. I would have done this, all right? That is how I would have gone back to make money with social media a little bit faster, okay? I think the most successful way to make money with social media is to have a definitive goal, okay? Have a definition, have a niche. I would have created the account at once, at the same time choosing my niche, at the same time having a funnel, all congruent. And then I would have started posting, okay? And then I would have started doing stories, sending people into that funnel. I would have started working my DMs, sending people into that funnel. I would have been taking my posts and sending people into the funnel. I would have been doing shout outs and collabs with the right type of influencers. And by the way, if you're trying to figure out how to find good Instagram influencers for your marketing, I've included a link in the description for that as well. I would have been doing this and sending them in, okay? I would have been networking using my 502 strategy, also in the description below, and I would have been sending people into this funnel, all right? And then when I'm bringing people into this funnel, this product, this service or whatever, X amount are gonna buy, and Y amount are gonna not. And so I'm gonna be able to retarget these people through texts, emails, retargeting ads, and incentivize them to become a buyer. That's what I would have done differently. And if you're asking the question, well, what did you do, Ben? I didn't do any of that. I'll tell you, all right? Whoever's editing this video, skip past this part, speed it up, make it look cool. What I did is I started an account. I would just post random shit. And it was all in the same niche, but I had no MEG, monetization end game. I had no monetization game, period. I had no idea how I was gonna monetize. It was a hobby, like most people on Instagram. Like most influencers. Oh, I'm an influencer. Great, how much money do you make? Oh, you know, I sell like shout outs, like here and there, and like, but I charge like $200 and like sometimes people buy it. I'm doing like $800 a month now and I have a big booty. So I'm like doing well. You're not influencing anything, woman, okay? So I have a monetization end game. And what that means is I'm like, okay, here's my account. Here's my niche, here's what I'm specializing in, here's what I'm gonna be posting. This is the type of value I'm gonna provide. Knowing that the higher the value I provide, the more amount of intellect and the higher worth, the more business savvy, the more intelligent type of followers and consumers I'm going to attract. So when I pick a product or service that I know I want to market from day one, I've got the account, I'm not random, I know what I'm going to be selling, and I'm able to promote it all simultaneously, okay? I didn't do that. I had an account, I picked a username, I started posting stuff. I didn't really know what to offer or what product or service. I wasn't really thinking about it. And then I tried introducing it once I hit like 50, 60, 70,000 followers, and they weren't feeling it. They're like, what are you doing? Because it was so abstract. But if I cultured and bred them from day one, would have been able to monetize way sooner, would have been able to make money with social media way faster, not get rich quick. I don't have that mentality. I don't believe in it, okay? But it would have worked faster. And that's what I recommend to you guys. Have questions, drop them in the comments. Make sure to share this video on your Facebook with people, with anybody you know. It would help. If there's anything I can help you with, let me know. Included links in the description to help you guys out. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.